record is become red color, then you can start. Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Sneha Vankodre. Today I am going to present a presentation on an assistive device for deaf, dumb and blind people using Raspberry Pi under the guidance of Professor Praveen Gurav sir. So coming to the objective of our project mainly contains three objectives. First one for deaf, second one for dumb and third one for blind. So the first one is for deaf. In this we are using one microphone application through which the opponent person will talk and that speech will be displayed on monitor so that the deaf person will understand and communicate back. In second one is for dumb. In this we are creating one window where the dumb person will type the text that will be read out by e-speaker. For
Sneha,
this we need.
please make a slideshow. Slideshow. Please click on slideshow.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Click on slideshow. Unable to get big slide. Make slideshow.
Sir,
Uh,
I did it, sir. Is it visible?
it's visible, but still is not showing slideshow on my screen. Go ahead, no problem. Just go ahead.
Okay, sir. So second one is for dumb. In this we are creating one window where the dumb person will type the text that will read out by e-speaker. For this we need speaker and one display with a keyboard. Third is for blind people. In this we are using one camera which will be capture the image and it extract black text from white paper and further it will be read out by e-speaker so that the blind person will understand that whatever is present in text. So next, going to methodology. So in this slide, this is the block diagram of our project where the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus is the heart of our project. Along with this, we used keyboard, camera, microphone, internet connection and power supply as input. And the output part, we are used e-speaker and monitor. Specification of Raspberry Pi are it is having a 4 USB port, 40 pin GPIO and 64-bit of system on chip along with full size HDMI and micro SD card. Here we are using Raspberry Pi because it works just like a mini computer. We can interface camera, speaker and screen to it. Also we can provide internet connection to it. It is just a credit card sized, so it is a portable. Here we used a 5 megapixel camera with a resolution of 2592 cross 1944. Its weight is 3 gram. Because of we are using 5 megapixel camera, it has some rules like it only recognize 12 and 14 font size and also there should be a proper distance between camera and text. Along with this, it should be a black text on white paper or vice versa. It recognize a standard English language only. Next about microphone, we are using microphone application where we can also use hardware microphone. In this application, we need to do some settings like 32 dB gain and monophonic. Next about speaker, we used QHMPL group speaker which has a frequency range of 60 Hz to 20 kHz along with the output power of 3 watt. Along with this, we are providing a high speed internet and 5 volt of power supply. So at last our device will be just like a one mobile device where it is having a camera, touchpad, screen and which will be portable. So further will be explained by my teammate.
Hello.
Okay, go ahead. We are listening.
Yes, sir. That will move to the pin diagram. So Sneha, will you open that pin diagram slide?
Is it visible?
No. Okay. Okay, fine. This is the pin diagram how we have connected. Actually, we are in our project we have a 3 buttons. So we have connected to the GPIO pins. Other than this, we have connected a monitor to the HDMI port and even a camera and power supply is given and the respective ports will be there for the speaker and the microphone. Go to the next slide. So this is how our project looks like. For the deaf, we have given the GPIO pin 26, for the dumb GPIO 25, and for the blind GPIO 24, and the power supply, camera and USB is given. So now I'll explain the objectives. Coming with the first objective, that is for deaf people, where the speech or voice is converted to text. I have shown you the setup as you can see in the image in the PPT. In the flowchart also, before that, let me explain the general steps. First, we'll go to the Raspberry Pi window, open that terminal, and we'll give the command like sudo python file name. File name will be whichever like our wish. So nextly, our program starts to execute. One window will appear. We'll say like a TK enter window with the 3 software buttons separately for the deaf, dumb, and blind. As soon as we click on the button 1 of the software part, it moves to the first part of the program and runs the def function and starts to execute. It will ask to press the hardware button. When it is pressed, it will ask to speak. So here we are using microphone as the input and we'll speak through it. Okay, now what is actually a speech recognition? For this, we are going to install a speech recognition where speech recognition basically translates a spoken words to text. The main reason is a speech is the most common means of communication, as we all know that, and the majority of population in the world relies on speech to communicate to one another. So, what are the challenges we are facing through that speech recognition is style of speaking, like different person has different style of speaking, like Britain people, American people, and etc. And even coming to the environment, isolated room, and even auditorium room. So the speak changes, and even the speaker characteristic, like a child can speak in different kind of voice, and old age people, and etc. So most of the speech recognition are based on the deaf neural network and based system, which can use 10,000 words library and numbers, of course. Here we have different packages which we are used for speech recognition, like API AI, Assembly AI, Google Cloud speech recognition. So here we have selected a speech recognition. So firstly, to record audio using microphone, we will have to use a microphone class. To work with the microphone, we will have to install PyAudio package in the Python. To capture input from the microphone, we use a listen method. So that in the program, we have to write the program like code in, we have to write like import speech recognizer by using the command like import speech recognition as SR, and R1 is equals to SR.recognize. This is all instance we will call, and these by using listen method, we'll take the input from the microphone and we'll give it to the audio, that is a variable which will declare, and it should convert that voice into text. So we'll use the command like r.recognizer underscore Google that audio, whichever that listen method will take. So that will be converted. Voice will be converted into text. This is how the deaf part will work. Then further next objective will be explained by our teammate.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Nitin. I am going to explain the second objective of our project, which is for vocally impaired and commonly known as dumb persons. First of all, the dumb persons, whatever they want to converse or whatever they want to express their message, they can't explain it to someone else. So they will type the message as in the PPT shown in an empty box. That will be the message which will opponent person want to hear or they can see. Whenever the person finishes his typing, then he will press the button to software button. Then it will ask for the hardware button to speak through the e-speaker. Then whatever the message is written in the dumb that is a text box, that will be converted using the e-speaker, and it will be converted through e-speaker. Thank you, sir. The next will be continued by our teammates.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Muttava Algudri. I am explaining about a blind part that is visually impaired people. Here we want to convert image to speech, which include firstly convert the image to text and text to speech. After pressing the button 3, a camera will capture the image through the OpenCV. As we know that OpenCV is a open source computer vision and machine learning software. And after that, the image stored in the file, we can open that image and check whether it's clear or not. Otherwise, we can reset the image. Once image is done, next is conversion of image to text by Tesseract OCR. Tesseract OCR, it is an optical character recognition. It will recognize and read the text embedded in the image. Tesseract will be recognize text instead of writing it to the file. So this is how image is converted to text and text to speech. Hence, this is all about blind part where image is converted to speech. Sneha, next slide.
Yes.
And coming to result and conclusion, in this we have developed a prototype model for deaf, dumb, and blind people by employing a single compact device. The, the important key factor of this project is to enable hearing, vocal, and visual impaired people to communicate with this competitive world. Next slide. Future scope of this project is followed out with any other advanced devices by using simple coding language to get it less complicated. This complication can be reduced by a tiny gadget which could be more useful for people in this electronic world. Sir, this is a reference we refer. Thank you, sir.
Please show me the demo. Who is having kit? Nitin or who's having the kit?
No,
Nitin, sir.
Nitin. Show me the demo, Nitin.
So this is the VNC where we can virtually connect to the Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry in window, sir. We will go for the terminal, and here we can run the command like sudo python final app ap1. As soon as I enter the button, it will speak.
Project and assistive device for deaf, dumb, and blind people using Raspberry Pi. Press button 1 for deaf. Press button 2 for dumb. Press button 3 for blind.
As soon as it completes its execution, it will one window will appear, sir. PK enter. It will show that an assistive device. Yes, sir.
Nitin, rotate the camera. Nitin?
Yes, sir. It will
It's seeing you vertical. Okay, good. Done.
Window which will appear after the execution, sir. We will go for the dev part. We will press the software button. As soon as you press it, it will ask for the hardware button to press button 1.
Button 1 pressed.
Now we'll give the input through microphone, sir. Like we'll speak through what we want to tell to the opponent person. So we can speak through the microphone here.
Button 1 pressed.
Hello, my name is Nitin. So you can see that there is a it will in the
output.
Also it will also displayed in the one more window which will appear. Like my name is Nitin. Again we will go for the dumb part where the person want to convey his messages. He will type the message in the box.
Welcome to our project to assistive device for deaf, dumb, and blind people using Raspberry Pi. Press button 1 for deaf. Press button 2 for dumb. Press button 3 for blind.
Here I am typing the message, sir. As soon as I finish the exam typing, I will press the dumb button
Okay.
Press
Okay.
button 2.
and it will ask for the hardware button also.
Okay.
Press. Hello, everyone. We are the students of the College of Engineering and Technology.
This is the message I have written in the text box, sir.
Okay. Okay.
And we will go for the third object of our project, which is blind.
Mm-hmm.
We will click the software button first.
Press button 3.
Again, it will ask for the hardware part to press button 3.
Button press. Taking class. Performing optical character recognition. Taking text in movement. Or third. 11 meters of Dr. Solo and Dr. K on Professor Rogers. 77 right curly bracket. Oh, I'm on 440. Channel Nodden. This is going to be a major mammoth. Both absolutely fantastic work by you and your mom. Combatant. The ops console.
Due to cloudiness, sir, it is not taking clear picture.
Open sum. Solution. ME. DW simple close. Dr. K. Lisa. Profound. Reproductive medicine aid. Infertility. Animals level for autoimmunity. Taylor Middle. India. Mobile. 9842 320623.
Whenever it completes its execution, it will be displayed in the enter window.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Nitin,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Go to block diagram part.
Yes, sir. So I don't have slide.
Okay. Sneha. Sneha Pooja, who is having PPT? Yeah.
Yeah.
She's doing okay.
Hello.
Wait. Muttava, can you explain the power supply part in these devices? Muttava,
Yes,
please
sir.
explain the power supply part of these devices. Go ahead.
I have to explain the block diagram, sir.
Yeah, no. Power supply, only the power supply. How much power supply is needed for all these devices? I would like to know about it.
That's
Um,
sir. We have to give 5 volts.
you're
For
not
this,
audible. Uh,
we have to give 5 volts, sir. 5
okay.
volt power supply.
Huh. How you converted it 5 volt, whether it's a DC or AC, what you did for this project?
Sir,
Hmm.
we are giving a power supply through the lapis, sir.
Through laptop.
Laptop, sir.
Okay. Uh, and one more next questions to you only. See, in the
Yes,
Raspberry
sir.
Pi connected to monitor. So how are you connecting to the monitor? Because here use only laptop, no? How you interface with
Yes,
the
sir.
Raspberry Pi and laptop? Can you
We are
explain?
using a USB, sir, for the connection.
Sorry, come back again.
We are using USB, sir.
USB.
Yes.
By using USB, you are displaying the same thing on laptop monitor, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Pooja,
Yes, sir.
Sneha,
Sir, we are using HDMI port for even monitor, sir. You can connect it, sir. By taking separate one monitor, we can connect it to Raspberry Pi.
Nitin.
Sir, we are using VNC software, sir, which is the
Uh,
virtual network connection, where we can
uh,
get the Raspberry Pi window in that laptop only itself.
uh. This is the right
If we
answer
want to connect
because
the external monitor, then
yeah,
we
yeah,
have to connect the display to
I got, I
HDMI
got,
cable.
I got. See, you three people don't know when we are using monitor, HDMI, all those things. Huh? Here is only laptop. Uh, Muthu, can you say that the model name of microphone,
So,
camera model, and microphone model? No idea. If you don't know, please let me know about it. Say no. I'll ask you next question. Mutava,
yes, sir.
do you know that the camera model name, microphone
No,
model
sir.
name? Do you have any idea about it or not?
Yes, sir, I have, but
Tell me then.
so we are using a Logitech camera that time.
Logitech is just it is a company name, Aman. The Logitech produces n number of cameras, you know. Whether it is a USB camera or Raspberry Pi camera, what it is. Even though right now I'm using Logitech camera.
Yes.
Hmm. The report of me if I say Logitech camera, it is having microphone, is it having speaker, everything is there. Uh, my model is BCC. Is it Pi camera or what? Raspberry Pi camera or what?
It's not Raspberry Pi camera, sir.
This different
It's
one.
common. Yes, sir.
Is it a USB camera or what? Okay.
We
So
are using
it's okay. It's okay. Can you give that specifications of Raspberry Pi?
we are using a 3B plus Raspberry Pi.
Specifications of Raspberry Pi. Pooja. Pooja, specifications of Raspberry Pi.
Sir, 4 USB for
Sir, Raspberry Pi, it is 4 USB port, and it has, we are using 3V plus Raspberry Pi, so it has a 40 pin GPIO, and it has a 64 bit of system on chip, sir.
Okay. Muthu, again, same questions to you. The parts of
yes,
Raspberry Pi, the various parts, the which are physically you can see that no, that parts of Raspberry Pi have to explain.
hello, sir.
Parts of Raspberry Pi, not the technical specifications like what Pooja told, no, except that simple, the what are the parts available on the Raspberry Pi, you have to explain.
So we are having a 3B plus, so that 4 port USB, 40 pin GPIO, and 64 bit SOC.
Huh. How much GB RAM it has?
And a micro card part, and full
Okay,
size of HDMI.
okay, I got. So how much RAM it has?
5, sir.
Hmm?
Wait, what, sir?
RAM part, how much RAM it has? Sneha,
1 GB RAM.
not Pooja. Sneha, I'm asking now. Sneha,
Sir, it's 512 MB.
512. Okay. Sneha, same
MB.
question. Okay, I got. Sneha, how much it is? Sneha is there? What about Sneha?
Hello, sir.
Okay,
So,
tell me how much RAM it has?
so
Raspberry Pi.
512 MB, sir.
512 MB. Okay. Nitin, Nitin,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how much RAM it has?
512 MB, sir.
512 MB.
RAM.
Then, Mutta, next question. So, how much
Yes,
GB ROM it has?
1 GB, sir.
ROM, ROM.
1, sir. 1 GB.
1 GB. Pooja, Pooja,
Sir, I don't know, sir.
you don't know. Sneha,
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Nitin,
We are using in here external SD card. Like it will depends on the
yes.
size of the SD card. Like
But how much
12.
support it is?
Yeah, we are using 16 GB, sir.
16 GB.
Yes, sir.
16, Alvinamma, simple questions. 1 GB RAM it has, not 512 MB.
Okay.
So what? See, in this programming, you are using heavy content, isn't it? For that, you need a DSP processor, some heavy processor. What kind of processor it has? Muttawa?
Yes, sir.
What kind of processor it has? The Raspberry Pi, what kind of processor it has? She left the meeting. Pooja,
Yes, sir.
processor.
Sir, it is Qualcomm.
Uh, Muthu, what kind of processor it has?
Sir, I don't know that.
Okay. Sneha,
Sir, sir, I don't know, sir.
next diagram, please. Go to the next diagram, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Nitin,
Yes, sir.
look at the diagram. Is block diagram is correct? Monitor via VNC. You are connected to the Raspberry in the place of Raspberry Pi camera place. Is it correct? The block diagram, what you saying?
Sir, we have just shown like that only, sir. Not we have connected actually.
It is absolutely wrong. No, see that the place what is shown for monitor via VNC, is it right
Yes,
one? At least you have to show
yes,
some, you can extend that some same arrow mark till there is a HDMI connector is there. That could be
yes, sir.
acceptable at least, because you can say that VNC bar HDMI connector. But the place of the where Raspberry Pi camera is connected, there is showing that monitor via VNC. Huh?
Yes.
Your entire block diagram is not correct at all. And in the place of USB is showing speaker. Mutawa, tell me where the speaker is connected in the Raspberry Pi kit. Speaker. How you are connecting speaker to your Raspberry Pi?
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Through the cable, sir.
Through?
Cable. USB port, sir.
Allama cable beka wireless alla. We know that I am asking the port. Which port is required to connect the speaker? Pooja.
Sir, in that Raspberry Pi, there will be three audio like output jacks, sir. So we can connect the headphones and all. There we can connect.
Sneha.
Sir, there is a USB port, sir. We are using a external card reader for that, sir. Through which we are connecting speakers to it, sir.
Nitin.
Yeah, sir. We have a separate like what speaker jack also, but we are using a USB port only where we can connect both the microphone and speaker, sir. I can show to you, sir.
Hmm. Now go to that kit and show me that how it's interfaced with your speakers.
Yeah, sir. This is the card reader where we can connecting both microphone jack and USB jacks.
Okay, okay, fine. Ah, yeah. Mutta, can you say the button pins? Mutta, all three button pins, GPIO pins, number.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
We are using a GPI 24 and ground 6, sir.
okay, for button 1, button 2, and button 3. What means GPIO?
For
Pooja,
def, we are
what about
using 20.
GPIO? Hmm?
For
Mita,
def,
what
we
is
are using
GPIO?
20.
Sorry?
I am saying about buttons, sir.
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
We are using deaf for 26 and dumb for 25 and blind for 24, sir. And ground one 6.
Okay. Okay, agree. What about GPIO then?
General purpose output and input, sir.
Sorry, once again, I'm not getting that in the middle statement.
General,
Will you repeat it? Hmm.
general purpose output input, sir.
Okay. How many GPIO pins are available on Raspberry Pi?
40, sir.
Total, how many general pins are available? How many GPIO pins are available?
40, sir.
Out of 40, how many power supply? How much power will get instead of pin? The better question is, how much power will get from this Raspberry Pi? Pooja,
Yes, sir.
how much power you can get it from GPIO pin?
5
Uh,
to
th- uh, yes, sir. 3.3 million to
3,
5. 3.3,
3
sir.
to 5,
Yes, sir.
3.3 volts. Okay. Nitin,
Yes, sir.
how much power will get from the GPIO pin? Max
At max 5 volt, 3.3 volts.
3.3 volts.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are giving 5 volts from the laptop, sir, and at max we will get 3.3 volts from the button.
Okay. Okay. Is there any dummy pins are there in the GPIO? Nitin?
Dummy pin, sir.
Not used pins or dummy pins.
No, sir. Dummy pin.
Not used.
There are two, yes, sir. There are two, one IDSD and IDSP.
Hmm.
Only two, sir. Otherwise, the left are general purpose and power supply pins.
Okay. Okay. The moment when you come to the college, you need to submit your entire project hardware kit along with the report. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
be ready with your hardware project reports.
Okay.
Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So probably you may require 4 individual plus 3 for the department. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
One is for college, one is for library, another one is for your KCST.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. You may do the meeting now.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.